Hello, welcome back to the Crochet Nest Yarn and Hook Studio. Today we are going to make a beautiful crocheted cover that is a very different pattern. For covering this whole tutorial, we will be needing 3.5 mm crochet hook number, a yarn, any color that you like, and some of the essentials to complete it. Definitely, these are important. So you must keep them with you. So after this, we must start with the basic thing, that is crocheted water bottle cover that we are making, and the bottle cover is a little bit different. The pattern is different, you can see on the bottle. It's a complete project and the pattern is very unique and looks very beautiful on any of the thing that you want to cover. So you can make so many variety of the stuff with this type of pattern. So it's different, it's unique, and the colors we have chosen is also very beautiful. So start with a magic loop. We will take almost 8 double crochet in magic loop. After taking 3 chains, now start with 8 double crochet. Now this is the last one, the 8th one, 8 double crochet we have taken. Now after closing the magic loop, we will do the second round. We are making the base of the washer bottle cover, any bottle cover. So after closing it, after doing the slip stitch, we will go for the next round, the second round. In second round, we will do double crochet 2 times in each stitch. So first we will take 3 chains to start the project again, the next round, and now I will put 2 double crochet in every stitch. So we will be having almost 16 double crochet in total of 2 rows or 2 rounds. Must count when you are doing the crocheting, so you should not miss any of the stitch. So we are taking 2 double crochet in each stitch, and after completing this round we will do the slip stitch. In next round, in third round, we will do, after doing our 3 chains, 1 2 3, after doing 3 chains I will put 1 double crochet in one stitch and 2 double crochet in the next stitch. So in this way we will be having 1 2 1 2 sequence of the whole row. So 1 double crochet in one stitch and 2 double crochet in the next stitch. So complete this round and join me again. Okay, after doing the slip knot or slip stitch in the chain area, the top of the chain, the third chain, the bottom area of the water bottle is covered. So now we are going to start with the pattern, and it's a beautiful pattern, and after learning this pattern you can apply this pattern on any of the project that you are working with. So we are going to start with 3 chains again, and in the same stitch, in the first stitch, we will take 8 double crochet. After doing the 8th double crochet, we are going to skip the next stitch and we do single crochet in the second stitch. After skipping one stitch, we will do single crochet in the next stitch. This is the single crochet. We will skip another stitch and we will put 8 double crochet in the next stitch. We will repeat again. Skip the next stitch and put single crochet after skipping one. Skip again and put 8 double crochet in the next stitch. After skipping one single crochet and again skip and 8 double crochet. We are going to complete this round, and after completing this round, the next row and the next round is little bit different. So in this round we have to do 3 chains, find out the center of the 8 double crochet and put single or slip stitch here, then again 3 chains and half double crochet we will do 2 times in the single crochet we were doing in previous row. So in this area we will put 2 half double crochet, again 3 chains, slip stitch in the center of our 8 double crochet area, again 3 chains and 2 half double crochet in the single crochet of the previous row, 3 chains, slip stitch in the center, 3 chains, 2 half double crochet in the single crochet of the previous row, 3 chains again, and find out the center. You can estimate it or you can count it, it's up to you. 3 chains again and 2 half double crochet in the center of the previous row single crochet. After doing this last step, we will do slip stitch, or you can continue the crocheting without doing the slip stitch. It depends on you. Now come towards the third round of the pattern, and in this round we are going to do you can see on the bottle that what type of pattern we are having here. The area of 2 half double crochet, we are putting 8 double crochet here, and the area of 2 half double crochet we are putting now 8 double crochet, and vice versa. So this is how we are going to continue in the next round. So in this round we will put 2 half double crochet in the center of the 8 double crochet. So simply put 2 half double crochet in the center of the 8 double crochet, and 8 double crochet in the center of the 2 half double crochet. So we have just shifted and make it a vice versa, or the sequence is little bit shifted to 1 or 2, you can say. So again you will find the area where we have put 2 half double crochet, we have crocheted 8 double crochet. In the next step you will find 8 double crochet. Now we are going to put 2 half double crochet in the center of 8 double crochet. 2 half double crochet here, again 8 double crochet in the center of 2 half double crochet. So we are going to continue like this. Now we will put 2 half double crochet here, and 8 double crochet in the center of 2 half double crochet. The sequence is simple, but you just have to do once and you will find out that how you are going to carry out with this sequence. In one row we are making chain steps, and in the second round we are doing double crochet and half double crochet. Half double crochet is in both rounds, but the chain round, one is the chain round and the second is the 8 double crochet round. So this sequence you have to follow to complete the whole round. Now 2 half double crochet here, 2, 8 double crochet here, so the round is done. The next step we are going to do will be the chain step, where we will put 3 chains on both sides. So you know the chain whole sequence is that 3 chains, slip stitch in the center of 8 double crochet, then again 3 chains and 2 half double crochet in the 2 half double crochet area. So the sequence will carry on in the whole round. So one row is going with the double crochet, 8 double crochet and 2 half double crochet, and the second round is going with 3 chains, slip stitch, 3 chains and 2 double half double crochet. So this is the sequence we have to carry out till the end of the bottle cover. You want to go with the length that you are required. The length you have to measure with the bottle you have already, or you can take it from the measurement, the basic or journal bottle cover measurements from the charts of you will get chart from the internet as well. So I already had a bottle, so I created it according to the bottle size. So it depends on you that how much you want to make. Either you are making for a small bottle or the big bottle. So the sequence you have already learned very well, that this is how we are shifting our 8 double crochet in 2 sides. So the sequence is going like side by side. All the 8 double crochet are coming because of the second step we are doing here in the next round with 3 chains. So this is what and beautiful pattern you can carry out with, and you can make so many beautiful things with this beautiful pattern. If you are not doing it in round, so you can do it in straight surface as well for cushion cover or any book cover you are wanting to make. So you can see how beautifully fit the bottle comes inside it, and as you will increase it, the sequence will increase and you will go with the length that you are required. I already created one, so you can see that how beautiful this is and how this pattern is giving a look. So you still have a room for another bottle. You can put a bigger bottle inside this cover as well. The pattern of the handle is very simple. I will give this pattern in another video, and you can make any type of handle, but I have given some different type of handles tutorial as well. You can watch my detailed full video tutorial on my channel as well. It is also already covered on my channel. It's posted. So if you want to make this project with me, you can go and watch my video, my lengthy videos, where you can get the whole tutorial, and you will get the tutorial of the handle as well. And though I will make another video for it as well, but if you want to make the whole tutorial or whole project with me, just grab your yarn and hook and sit with my lengthy or long videos, and you will learn and you will do the whole project with me. My videos are usually like this, so I am making some small tutorials as well to just give you the idea of how to do the pattern. So this is what we have done, and you have learned a very beautiful pattern, a new pattern today. Thank you so much for joining. Keep watching, keep subscribing. See you again. Bye.